Kalakwachero, Kalakwachero, we are here again in the middle of the forest for Station of the Cross. Come and join us here in Belgium. Yes, we are entering Belgium now. Look at that. The board where Belgium standing is broke down. Ayan o, nasira or may sumira. Ayan o, welcome to Belgium. Yan. Makikita nyo yung board, wasak siya. Ayun, sira yung board. Yes, but anyway, after the bridge, may another board naman. Na makikita nyo na nasa Belgium na tayo. So, come and join us there. Welcome to Belgium. Here we are in Belgium. We will go for Station of the Cross. So, come and join us. Now, look. This is the windmills na sasalubong sa iyo sa Belgium. Ang daming windmills, o diba? At meron pa silang nice windmills with a nice view na may mga cow. Hindi pala yung cow. Sorry, horse yun. Oh, there's a lot of windmills. Oh, diba? So we're just here actually going to the boundary.
In about 2.5 kilometers, bear left.
In the middle of the forest. But before that, we are passing all these beautiful windmills here in Belgium. As you see, look, they're so beautiful naman, diba?
One eternity later.
Yes, here we are in the middle of the forest. Kita nyo, here we did our picnic. Yeah, and you just walk here in the forest. Actually, you can do walking or cycling. Here, they have many paths. Ayan, maraming daan. Pwede kang mag-cycling dito, mag-walking. And here in the middle of the forest, the Station of the Cross, the 15 chapels. Ayan, 15 chapels, the first station, second station. So, that's what we did. Ayan, all the station. So, to make it short, we already finished our Station of the Cross. Ayan. Yan, dito kami nag-Station of the Cross. Second Station of the Cross namin because we did yesterday in Germany. This is the 15th chapel. As you see, this is for the Station of the Cross. Naputol na ang video kasi may mga tao, umaya umalis na kami. So next time I will video it, guys.